Leo, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titingnan natin what's coming to you in the next 7 days. From the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to, dahil ito ay isang timeless reading, anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo'y naka-resonate. Okay, so let's see, Leo. Next 7 days, what's up? You have peace, new life. Oh, wow. Merong bagong simula. This can be a new business, a new work, a new career, a new path, bagong bahay, bagong place, and mas peaceful yung energy ninyo, no? So, maaring umalis kayo sa isang toxic na situation or magulong sitwasyon. Kaya, yan, you are more independent, may solitude, may katahimikan. There is also truth na nabunyag. It's like, na-reveal sa'yo. Merong na-reveal na importanteng bagay sa'yo. Itong revelation na to kasi, hindi lang naman to tungkol sa isang tao. This can also be a revelation lang sa sarili mo, sa buhay mo. May realization ka na, teka, kailangan ko ng ng katahimikan ng isip. Kailangan ko nang umalis sa sitwasyon na to, or ayoko nang magpanggap. Yung mga ganon. Na you are becoming more authentic and true to yourself. Also have energy ng yin. Yin is about receiving something. So you are receiving downloads, you are receiving new information, or may nare-receive ka ng mga bagong perspective sa buhay. You can also be becoming more creative in life, no? So marami kang nare-realize about yung mga kakayanan mo, talento mo, and I also see na meron ditong magpapatawad. Papatawarin mo ang isang tao na meron nagawa sa'yo in the past na mali, no? Or kasalanan sa'yo, para lang magkaroon ka na ng katahimikan ng isip. You want to move on. And you are moving on. You are moving forward. It's like you are letting go of yung mga bagay na sama ng loob na pinangahawakan mo ng matagal na panahon na. So, you are forgiving others and also forgiving yourself. You have temperance. Temperance is your patience. This is your health. So, maaring merong concern sa health mo ngayon na inaayos mo. So, maaring may nagpapacheck up sa inyo dito. Maaring may consultation with someone, or mas nagiging healthier yung lifestyle ninyo. And this is also being, like taking in things in moderation. So, mas nagiging maingat ka rin sa mga kinakain mo. Kumbaga, tama lang. Oo. Hindi na sumusobra. You also have the Chariot. Wow. So, itong Chariot is about moving forward. This is success. Ito yung pagpunta sa isang masayang direction, or pagpunta sa isang sitwasyon na mas may focus ka. So, maari ring you are starting a new business, a new career, or a new life na merong certain direction na kung saan nagiging mas in control ka of the situation. You have the 10 of Swords and then the 9 of Swords. Oh, something might be bothering you. Marami kayong iniisip lately. And in the next 7 days, I think ito yung i-release mo. Ito yung i-let go mo. Na tapos na para sa'yo, na ayaw mo na i-overthink ang mga sitwasyon. Gusto mo na mag-move on. Gusto mo na mag-move forward. Gusto mo nang may magbago. Yung iba sa inyo, meron ditong meron kayong sasakyan. There is a possibility na magkaroon ng aberya sa sasakyan ninyo. So, make sure na naasikaso nyo yung sasakyan nyo, lalo na kung madalas nyong gamitin. At due na siya for PM, no? Kailangan mo na ipa-maintenance para hindi siya maging problema in the future. Yung iba naman, pwedeng sa loan ninyo sa sasakyan, pwedeng kayo ay nagkakaroon ng stress sa loan ninyo sa inyong mga sasakyan. Or I also see here na merong nag-a-apply ng loan sa sasakyan pero ang daming hinihinging requirements. Oh, wow, ang ganda. Queen of Pentacles, the Death card. So this is major transformation in your finances. Your finances is healing. The Temperance is also about healing. So kung nagkaroon ka ng financial struggle in the past, so ngayon, you are, things are changing, no? You are overcoming a financial situation. You have the Emperor. The Emperor is being in control of what you have right now. So, I feel like mas planado mo ngayon yung mga actions na gagawin mo moving forward. For some of you, pwedeng merong magandang balita pagdating sa iyong trabaho. This can be promotion sa workplace or bibigyan ka ng major role sa trabaho na pwedeng in the future maging yung parang credentials mo na pwede ka nilang i-promote or taasan ng sweldo. Let's see what else. Oh my God, the Magician. You are very talented, Leo. I think yan yung isa sa maipagmamalaki mo sa sarili mo kasi marami kang kayang gawin. Like jack of all trades, ganon. And this time, gagamitin mo yung talento mo, yung skill set mo sa tamang paraan. Kasi kung dati, hinayaan mo lang siya or hindi mo siya ginamit, no? Halimbawa, alam mo sa sarili mo, may talent ka sa singing. And maraming tao nakakaalam yan. Pero, hindi mo siya in-explore. Parang hinayaan mo na lang kasi may iba kang gustong i-pursue. And then you realize you want to tap into your talents again. Kasi dun ka mas masaya. May love and romance dito. Maaring merong person na interested sa'yo or attracted sa'yo. Meron ka marireceive na regalo, bulaklak, or like anything na magpapakilig sa'yo from this person. I also feel na itong person na to can be matalino, no? Marami siyang alam, or this person is someone na very resourceful, or marami na siyang naipundar. O, diba? Spouse material. Ayan. So, I think may mga bagay na iwasan mo na lang na i-overthink, especially kung may kinalaman yan sa finances or sa pera. Kasi in the end, hindi naman yan masusolusyonan sa pag-overthink mo. Isipin mo na meron kang resources, meron kang kakayanan na mag-produce ng kailangan mo. Some of you, meron kayong bibisitahin na hometown, or kung kayo'y nag-a-abroad, maaring uuwi kayo sa bansa na kung saan nandun yung family mo. Yung iba may nagpapaayos kayo siguro ng bahay. Pamper. You are going to pamper yourself. Self-care is a necessity, not a luxury. That is true. Lahat yan. Ngayon, kailangan na natin ng self-care for our mental health rin. You have a major decision to make. Sometimes, the best decision is no decision at all. So, kung hindi ka pa ready, then wag muna. Wag mong ipilit ang isang bagay na parang dahil lang sa gusto mo na siyang gawin or mag-move, magde-decide ka ng hindi ka sigurado. Authenticity, this is being true to yourself, tapping into who you really are, nang hindi iniisip kung anong sasabihin sa'yo ng ibang tao. Live life for you, not the audience in your head. That is right. Okay? So that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.